Hello, I'm Matthew Berkey, a grain merchandiser with Ag Valley Co-op, and today we're going to go over the week in the grain markets. To start with, basis across all markets, corn, wheat, beans is steady to unchanged. We did see in the futures some gains early in the week. Corn traded between 425 and 434 futures this week. Beans traded between 1059 and 1075. These are all nearby March futures. And then wheat, on the July wheat, it had a rally and it traded from 544 to 562 futures this week. It goes to the point there were some rallies throughout the week, and cannot stress enough in these markets with these up and downs that I think if a person has a target in mind to have these your orders working, good till cancel, because they might hit in the middle of the night. They might hit, for a few seconds during the day. A little bit of news on the corn market. We'll go through that. The USDA says that we had good sales week to Japan, Mexico, and Colombia. Right now, they're showing us to be ahead of last year's at this time, about 21% above the same week last year. Soybeans, South American pressure is on the market. A lot of farmers selling in South America, and that'll continue to put pressure on our soybean markets. They have a good crop down there, and it's all about the weather going forward. And the wheat, with cold weather and dormancy and lack of moisture, a little bit of rally earlier this week. And but then it backed off. Everything's backing off. Some profit taking here on Friday. The traders are running it back down. So once again, I go to on these markets to have working orders going, because they might only hit it for a few seconds. We might only get a couple chances to hit your target, so let's have those working. And back to the basis is just no unchanged to steady week on week. For any grain marketing questions, feel free to call me or any of the other grain merchandisers at Ag Valley Co-op. And our number is 308-962-3681. Thank you.